Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to another episode. Yeah, no video last week. We punched down to Bustleton to catch up with Matt from Southwest Skeletals. We went down there to drop the dolphin fish off to get the skeleton done, and so we can get done as a wall hanger. So we did go fishing off the Busto jetty, but to no success. We only tried for squid anyway. Didn't get any squid. Punched through the rain and everything else, got wet and for nothing. So that was last week's adventure, and that's why there's no video. So this week it's Friday afternoon, lovely conditions, wind is buggery. We're in the Swan River. The reason why I'm going out tonight is because we've got the blood moon tonight, and when I got the Mulloway, was it last year or the year before? Last year. Yeah, last year we got the Mulloway.
When I was 7, so like 3 years ago.
Oh, 3 years ago now. Jesus, that long. Jeez, time goes fast. So anyway, so it was on the same moon. So we've got an incoming tide, but the only difference today is usually we're facing that way with the tide going up. Now, because of the wind, we're facing northwest, facing that way. So this might bite me in the bum a little bit because now casting a bait out, the tide's supposed to turn after 5:30. Low tide's at 5:30, which is not far away now.
It's 5.
Yeah, 6 o'clock. So yeah, it's 6 o'clock, so it should start to turn. So I'm waiting for it to turn to see which way the baits are going to be running, and then I've got to figure out whether I'm going to move the anchor or not and change the position of it, because the tide, I'm hoping the tide's going to be stronger than the wind, so we swing around. So I stopped stringing gear off, but yeah, same rig as usual, just got a sliding rig. I'll bring out one of the rods actually. Yeah, no, that one's tangled up. There we go. So basically got a sliding swivel, a sliding three-way for the sinker going on the braid, whichever one, you know, that's how I done it last time, down to about 500 or 300, two hooks. And don't have live bait, so I'm going to try and use herring and mullet. So mullet, I got on my mullet last time, so we'll see how this plays out. Cross my fingers. The screen had a bit around the mooring, but yeah. Anyway, stop talking. I'll get these baits in the water and we'll see how we go.
Chip, bro.
Chippy chip. Chippy chip.
Chip. There's one. Ooh.
Hello.
What did you do, diary?
No. No one, no chippies. Oh look, he knows. It's coming.
Yeah. Go and chip and put it in your hand.
With my hand?
Yeah, hold it. I did it. Just to me. Yeah, that finger. You want the bucket? Chip. Soggy chip.
Go on, see if you get one out of your hand again. Go. I'll get a close up of it. Go, get a big chip.
I'm trying to find a big chip. Oh.
Yeah, okay, go.
Ah! I really are.
Oh, hang on to another one. Oh, we've got our first bycatch. I don't know where my bloody crab gauge is gone.
It's here on this side.
Oh,
Yeah, I can see it.
I'll grab it. First bycatch for the day.
More to come, I reckon.
Probably more to come, a lot more to come.
Right.
Yeah, nice bluey. Swan's River blue. Not huge.
Not as big as
Caught on a fishing hook. Not really
over.
caught, it's way over. So, yeah, he'll be coming home. Dinner? Well, tomorrow night.
Hello. There's no more food here. Mind your own business, mate.
Well, you see that buckle over? Oh, I hope he comes back. That wasn't the boat moving. Geez, that was a good hit. God damn it.
Woo.
Small. I think I might have just foul hooked it though.
Or maybe it's a small mully.
Nah, I think I foul hooked something.
Or stingray. Or crab. Nah, it's fish.
It's a fish. Who
Maybe
knows,
a tailor.
He might be going down as a livey. What I got here?
I had a fawn.
Oh yeah? Oh, he's a livey. He's going straight back down.
What is that?
Tailor.
Ah. You dish tail hook him.
He's going straight back in the drink.
Leave him as he. GoPro! I can still hear the frog. Yeah. Where was that?
I don't know whether we just swung his way around or not. Find out in a minute. Drag up. G'day guys, welcome back. So fishing yesterday wasn't too successful. Yeah, we got a tailor and a crab out of the Swan, which, you know, Swan is fishing Swan. So yeah, so we didn't do too well. Didn't go fishing today being Sunday. It's a pumping easterly. So we thought, oh well, I'm just gonna stay home, clean the shed where the boat is, Dexter's boat. So just to give you guys an update, she's stripped. The transom surprisingly came out easier than I expected, only because I think I might have cheated a little bit, which is still a bit of timber there left, but I've got to sand it all off, which that's the goal today, to focus on the transom, sand that all back, take all the wood off, get some fresh glass coming through, and then work through the rest of the boat. So this is where we're at. So yeah, most of it's all, there's a couple places here and there where there's still a bit of timber in, but once I take all the dark stuff off, I'll start sanding out all the internal ribs when I get to this part. But like I said, today's focus and goal, as you can see here, what's left. So what I've done is I've just grabbed my Makita chisel and just started humping down. And I was going to start cutting it first into strips all the way along and then take it off, but it ended up just being just as easy, just taking like thickness off all that as I went along. As you can see, that side's got none left at all, because that whole quarter from there to there was absolutely saturated. So this side was the harder side, as you can see. That's why I still got a lot more timber here. So I already started sanding a little bit, so you can see where it has come out already. It's nice and ready to go. That's what's nice and flimsy. So we're gonna keep sanding. I'm gonna sand all this down, and eventually when I get to here, I'll take all these other fittings off and the old steering, the old push-pull steering. So that'll come off, and then so yeah, we'll sand all the way up to here, and we'll get ready to start glassing. So we'll focus on we'll probably glass transom first, so we get that more all rigid up. So that's our plan. So we'll do the transom first, glass the boarding, and then we'll start doing stringers. So I'll still arm and arm whether we're just going to have a fuel tank sitting on top at the back, or I'm going to run one between that stringer and that stringer, but it's not going to be very high. It's going to be a real low one, which I'm thinking I might just run a separate tank on the back, on the top of the deck, which I think that's what I'll do, 225 litres either side. So keep the weight even, and then obviously battery and battery when we get to that point. So, and then still got to cut. This is where the footrest used to be, so I've still got to flatten all that out, and then obviously this one as well. So you can see it's still sitting up pretty high. So I'll put these up in the air, I'll get suited up. I'm still quite warm in here as it is. I just came back from the tip, dumping all that stuff off. So yeah, I'll show you a bit of sanding and how much fun it actually is. It's so much fun, it's great. don't miss it at all, one bit. So yeah, we'll get suited up, we'll get the sander out, and from clear to dusty in a matter of seconds once I hear that grind fire up. So I'll get ready to go. Alrighty, that transom's been sanded. I've sanded a bit more further back, but Dexter, my hands were getting sore from holding the grinder too long, so I decided I had a break for a little bit and went, bugger it, the wind's supposed to drop off, let's go out and check these Occy Pots. But easterly's still howling. So, but we came out anyway. I'm going to check these guys anyway, check them, see how they go, and maybe move them to a different location. But yeah, no, that wind's pumped. So yeah, so I'll put you guys up and get these Occy dogs, hopefully. Got the right way now?
Yep.
Nope. It's upside down still. Now I'll turn off and back on. Oops, wrong one. Alright, there we go. Alright, you ready? Get thrown around a bit.
Yep.
Just like craze season all over again. Alright. Things around. It's not supposed to get wet.
You're going into it.
Yeah. That was a ripper, that one.
It's cold.
Right.
Another 2 weeks.
I reckon we'll change the ropes over.
I think there's one in there.
Oh, furler.
Really?
Yeah, there's a furler in
Oh
that
yeah,
one.
there is. It looks like it's all half cooked already.
Oh, he was on his way out.
It looks like it's half cooked.
You any in there? Bit more. There he is in there. Yeah, there he comes.
Oh, he is a big one.
He is a big one. He is a big one. Quick, get him before he goes to the back there.
He stepped on him.
He is a perler. He is a donkey. Come here, buddy. Yeah, no, that's probably the biggest one we've caught so far. So.
Nice.
Come on.
And enough? Oh yeah.
Little cracker.
Yep.
I'll let that one live. See it coming out.
Yeah.
There he is. Send him back. There, buddy. Sorry for ruining your home.
Gone now.
So it's out of the street. Windy!
So we got two.
Two should be two over here, two over there, so what's that?
5, 6, 7. Yep.
Not very good odds today. Oh yeah, it's gonna change the race today.
We had ropes.
Oh my god! Oh.
There's not knocking this one. Disappointed. I think tiny little one.
Tiny little one in there.
Oh, it's coming out quick.
Huh?
Coming out quick.
Coming out quick?
Yep, he's out.
Quick.
Let's get down there. No!
I think that's right. He'll come out eventually.
He's on this side. Alright, gonna go!
Look at, look at. Yay! Hey, poof, little cloud. onto the hook.
Okay.
Now we need to cut it, mate. Just put it straight on the snap bait, mate, and see you later. Send him down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Alrighty, ladies and gents, that's a wrap for this weekend. So yeah, like I said, nothing real fantastic in the SWAN. Yeah, still better to be out there and sitting at home watching TV all day long, that's for sure. At the boat, Dexter's boat, we'll get back to that next weekend. And just keep on sanding and getting rid of all these little bits and pieces of timber that's still in there, and start ordering some gear to start getting ready for glass. So until next weekend, catch us out in the water then. Peace.